Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many PlayStation 4 users encounter, the dreaded error code CE-33937-5. This error message pops up when you try to access certain content on your PS4, and it tells you that you cannot use the content unless you purchase it from the PlayStation Store. Now, before you panic and start frantically searching for your wallet, let me assure you that there are a few simple steps you can take to fix this problem. First, let's check your internet connection. Make sure your PS4 is connected to the internet and that the connection is stable. You can do this by going to the Settings menu, selecting Network, and then checking your internet connection status. If you're not connected, or if the connection is weak, try restarting your router and reconnecting your PS4 to the network. If your internet connection is fine, the next step is to update your PS4 system software. Sometimes, outdated software can cause compatibility issues with certain content. To update your system software, go to the Settings menu, select System Software Update, and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during the update process. If updating the system software doesn't solve the problem, you can try rebuilding your PS4's database. This process can help fix any corrupted data that might be causing the error code. To rebuild the database, turn off your PS4 completely, and then hold down the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will boot your PS4 into safe mode. From there, select the option to rebuild database and wait for the process to complete. If none of these steps work, you may need to restore your PS4 to its factory settings. Keep in mind that this will erase all your data, so make sure to back up any important files before proceeding. To restore your PS4, go to the Settings menu, select Initialization, and then choose the option to restore default settings. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once the process is complete, you can try accessing the content again. So, there you have it, a few troubleshooting steps to fix the PS4 error code CE-33937-5. Remember, it's always a good idea to check for any official support articles or forums related to your specific issue, as there might be additional solutions available. I hope this video was helpful. And as always, happy gaming!